Happy baby. Oof. Oof. Happy baby without any props. There's not really many props to use. You can use a strap on the feet. Personally, you need 2 straps, I think, or towels or something of that nature. But we'll do it without props. Peace fingers, if you can. Peace fingers onto your big toes. So you're lying on your back. Bring your knees into the chest. From there, if you can, peace fingers on the big toes. And then what you're trying to do, it doesn't have to, you can have your feet, just have your hands on your feet on the outside or your hands on your feet on the inside. Whatever works best for you. And what you're trying to do is trying to keep the shins perpendicular, the soles of the feet up to the ceiling, shins perpendicular to the ground, and then you're trying to sink the knees down. As with all the poses, we're just going to a mild degree of tension. So if 0 was nothing and 10 was a bit of pain, you're after about a 5. You want some tension there, but not a lot. We're in our feminine energy. We're not trying to force anything. We're just gently trying to persuade the body to give in, to ease off. Remind yourself that what matters most right now is getting your thoughts together and letting go of past events and focus on the thought of calmness. There have been times in your life when you were very comfortable, and it's okay to be comfortable now. I wonder if you'll be reminded of a time in your past when you were aware of how comfortable your body could be. And perhaps even now you're beginning to notice the heaviness of your body. And I wonder just how you will experience the calmness that I mentioned earlier. I wonder if you began to notice yet that your body is becoming more relaxed. And I wonder which is more relaxed, your left side or your right side. And that area which in the past was uncomfortable, is it there, is it here? Is it close? It is far. Slowly come out of that pose, doing whatever your body's telling you to do. I'm actually going to give you a choice now, though.